What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money from India to Philippines through GCash. So, you might be wondering how to exactly send from India to the Philippines into a GCash account. Now the thing with GCash right now, with how GCash currently set up, you can't receive money internationally yet, just through the actual GCash app. But if you're going to use other platforms out there, like for example Wise, well, you can make that transaction possible. So first requirement here is you need to have a Wise account. So first is you want to download the Wise app here. Just sign up, provide any necessary details that they need from you. But once you have that, you should see this screen here. Now, what we need to do is we want to go and click on the send button that you see at the top left of your screen. And from here, what we need to do is you want to go and choose the option here that says you send, and in this case, the recipient gets section. Now, the you send section, you want to go and just indicate that this is going to be Indian rupees. So in this case, just type in rupees here. Yep. And from here, you want to choose the recipient. So you want to choose Philippines. So just type in Philippine peso. And you want to go ahead and indicate the amount that you want to send here. For example, we are sending like 2,000 Indian rupees here. It should give you the option here that says, or gives you the option to see how much that recipient is going to get. Now, sometimes it's going to say you must be residing in India to use bank transfer to send in from Indian rupees. But to be speaking, if you are in India, you should have the option to change how you're going to pay here. So you could choose your bank transfer or your balance here. And also you have the arrival day here. So once you click on continue, you should be able to see another page in here. Now from here, you just need to click on the option here. It says add recipient. Now once you click on it, you want to go and choose the option here. It says enter bank details. And from here, just choose the someone else option or your account here. And in here, you want to go and scroll down a bit and you want to go and choose the option here. So in this case, the country should be Philippines here since we are going to send to the Philippines. And the bank name here, you want to go and change this one. So this is going to be kind of different because in here, if a country is supported for sending money to, in this case, through in Wise that allows you to send to an e-wallet, you should be able to choose or switch over to an e-wallet option in here. If you click on the e-wallet option, so just tap on that e-wallet option and you should be able to provide the details for your GCash or the GCash recipient here. But yeah, so usually the account numbers for that is going to be the mobile number for your GCash account. But to be speaking, once you hit on confirm at the very bottom here, you should be able to make your transfer and you should be able to make your payment in here as well. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.